Hey, hi everyone. So we're gonna talk about what are AI agents, and also we're gonna see what are different kinds of AI agents today. So let's go. We can say AI agents are nothing but the LLMs that perform certain actions. So these are called as AI agents. They can be autonomous in nature, and they do not have to be specifically a software-based AI agent. They could also be a hardware-based AI agents. They are already part of our lives, and they are already making our lives better in each and every scenarios that we look into. They save our time. They play better roles in everyday life, and they are also very smart helpers. That's the reason we find them very I guess interesting, and we sort of have been adapting to them. And in the future, I guess we are going to be adapting more to it. So as I spoke, what they are doing is they're trying to automate our daily boring jobs. It could be writing a script of few lines, or scraping some content, or even creating Excel sheets, or even the uh, presentations that you make. So all of this would be done by the agents that are in place. This is how it is helping us every day in our life, so that we can optimize our time, be more productive, and also do more smarter things than we were doing before. Yeah. What are the other examples of AI agents that we might be using in future or already finding today? It could be one for there are AI agents that can help you in hiring process. There are AI agents that can help you book a flight. There are AI agents that can help you trade in the stock market. So there are millions of these kind of AI agents, and we're going to see them growing more and more in the future. And there is going to be a humongous amount of different capabilities. Also, there is going to be different scenarios where these are going to be involved in everyone's day-to-day life. So moving ahead, we're going to understand what are different types of AI agents. First one is a simple reflex agent, as we call it. It's going to do a particular reflex kind of action to a particular given task. These are basically if and else kind of agents, where they're going to be present in a environment and going to perform depending on that particular task. Okay, so what are the key features of these simple reflex agents? They are very much rule-based agents. They do not store any kind of memory, or they do not have learning capabilities. They have very much immediate response to the particular action that you're looking forward for. They're very straightforward. That's how they are. Um, Now, model-based reflex agents are more about internal world model. They maintain or represent how the world works. They sort of have the state tracking. I mean, they remember few things, and they can help you in considering the complex decision makings also. Depending on the goal, we can categorize them into goal based agents and utility based agents. Goal based agents are different type of agents which doesn't work on reflexes. Instead, they aim to achieve a particular fixed goal, um, and they plan according to whatever is required, and they have sort of certain strategies built into them to meet this plan. So this is more about goal based agents, and not just if else kind of agents that you have in place. Why do we need them? They are more goal oriented. They have specific objectives to achieve, and they make sure they'll sort of achieve it in any given circumstances, or they might fail certainly after if it doesn't work properly. Also, goal-based agents can create the sequence of actions. They handle very complex situations. Also, they adapt to the environment as required, and there is sort of flexibility into them. When I say about the goal-based agents, let's imagine about this simple example with inventory management. Automated inventory management is a particular example where it's being used a lot. Also, there can be various factors like when you are navigating to a road using the GPS, right? There are different traffic condition, road rules, and stuff like that. When we look at Google Maps, it suggests to you a particular road, but then it will sort of adapt to whatever comes better in future with depending on the traffic. Then we have something called as utility based agents. They pick the best based preferences. So they are very pick just the preferences that are very much optimized. It is not just like a goal based agent. What it does is rather it achieves a certain goal, but make sure that it achieves with a proper optimized solution. Then we have something called hierarchical agents. These are sort of agents which break down the complex task into simpler pieces, into a more manageable subtask, so that each of the subtask is being achieved, and then cumulatively you get a bigger result. It also makes sure that the agent is overseeing a broader goal and the lower level agents handling the specific task. So there is sort of like a hierarchy in place. So here the architecture is a main important goal. We also see that there is a layered architecture here where the decomposition happens and complex tasks are broken into simple pieces. Like let's say if you are booking a flight, then you want to look for different pathways that are available. Also, you want to look for different prices for the given flights. Also, you want to look for the day, time, and specific conditions that you're looking into, and then particularly optimize to one single particular uh, bunch of options that you have in place. Let's say 2 3 options that you have in place, and then maybe booking the flight. Multi-agent systems aren't exactly a different type of AI agent, rather they are like a collection of agents that can coordinate with each other. They are sort of all of the agents that we saw, they are a group of those. So they comprise of single reflex agents, goal-based agents, or any other type which we have already spoken about. Well, that's more about the AI agents and different types of AI agents. We learned what are AI agents today, what are different kind of AI agents, how these are playing vital role in our daily life, and what kind of agents can be used in specific functions or tasks. Thank you.